These two cuteness starting off the vlog this morning, cuddling with each other. Sarah, your happy brother is home today? She just chilling. Alright, Mama going to make some porridge, okay? So you stay with brother until I come back.
Mama, can I have lemon and honey first, please?
Yes, I'm gonna give you some lemon and honey. Okay?
Okay.
Take care of sister until I get back, okay? Oh my gosh. Hi babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I feel that I'm coming down with something since yesterday. And of course, this time of the year, it's possible every year that because of Tyler going to school and the coughing and all the change of climate for this time of the year, it's always possible that we're gonna catch something. So that's what's happening right now. I felt my eyes and my nose since yesterday and had a rough night last night. Waking up this morning is the same. So of course we are remedying up with lemon and honey since yesterday. Also giving Tyler is actually better than I am. I'm actually the worst out of the two of us. Baby's okay for now and Sarah is okay for now, so we have to be sanitizing a lot and drinking a lot of lemon and honey. So that's what we are up to right now. I decided not to send Tyler to school today. One, because it's raining outside. It's actually paused right now. And two, he's just coughing and sneezing. So I said, okay, just stay home today. It's the last day of the week for school, so just miss today. That's okay. So he's staying home today, spending some time with his sister. And right now I am gonna jump into the kitchen and make me some breakfast. I think I'm gonna make some porridge. Till I'm talking, I think I'm gonna make some oats porridge real quick. That's what I feel for this morning. And I think Tyler will enjoy that too.
Mama?
Yes, Ty?
2 days and then I'm going back to school.
Yeah, after the weekend you go back to school, okay?
Yes.
And
The
Sarah will be
weekend
extra
is,
happy that Tyler is home.
My back has to be red.
Okay, next weekend is vacation.
Huh?
After next week is vacation.
Michael vacation?
After next week, Friday, it's vacation. Christmas vacation after next Friday.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna leave these two cuddle buddies and go and make me some breakfast. Aren't they the cutest? Look at them.
Oh no! Oh no!
Tyler, don't kiss her today, okay?
Okay.
Oh, cuddling sissy. You two are so cute. Okay. Marian, let me start using whole nutmeg. I bought a few nutmegs from Jamaica, so I have nutmeg to last me for a while. But I didn't tell you guys what happened to my cinnamon that I bought downtown. You guys, when I bought my cinnamon downtown, the cinnamon was green. No, it was dry. It was dry cinnamon. But I wasn't thinking that I should check for insects and take it out of the plastic bag because it will sweat. So one, I did not check for insects. I didn't take it out of the bag and dust it out and whatnot. And I did not take it out of the plastic bag versus put it in the paper bag, because of course the plastic bag is gonna make it sweat. So when I came from downtown, when I bought it downtown and I went to the house with it, it stayed in that bag until days later I go to Ocho and come back and come to France, and it was still in that bag. So when I came to France and took it out of the plastic bag, one, it was mildew, and two, roaches start run out of it. I'm like, oh my god, that was a dilemma. So I had to drop it in my bin right away, catch the one roach that ran out, kill it fast, and bring it straight to the bin, you guys. So I have no cinnamon, and I was really looking forward to the cinnamon, because when I say that, Marian taught me that the cinnamon leaf, when you boil it in the water before you make your porridge, in comparison to the cinnamon powder, it makes a world of difference of taste with your porridge. I mean, it makes a world of difference. It makes your porridge taste completely different, and it's so good, the flavor that a cinnamon leaf actually gives your porridge in comparison to the cinnamon powder. So I was really looking forward to having my cinnamon, and that cinnamon would last me for more than a year if I had taken it out of the plastic bag and dust it out and put it in a paper bag. But when Marian told me, it was already too late for me to do all of that. So I waste my money on the cinnamon. It wasn't much still, but that's okay. And I carried my cinnamon here and I had to throw it in the bin. So I have no cinnamon. I'm really looking forward to when I go back to Jamaica to buy cinnamon and carry out. But I didn't know that would happen. I didn't really even think about it. But you live and you learn. It's trial and true, so that's okay. So that's what happened with me and my cinnamon. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day though. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated, staying positive. Surround yourself with positive energy. Surround yourself with positive people. You don't want negativity in your life. You don't want negative people around you. Don't even turn a blind eye to those negative energy, negative red flag. Okay, I'm coming to get her. As soon as you see those hints of negative energy, do something to wipe them out. Turn it around into positives. I love you guys. Have a good day. If it's snowing where you are, be careful. If it's raining where you are, stay dry. If it's cold where you are, stay warm and have lots of hot chocolate like I'm about to do, girl. Anyways, I am going to finish making my porridge. I'm looking forward to spend the day with my babies. Tyler's definitely going to do some activities in his book today, since that he's not going to school. and let's see what else today holds. But I'm not venturing outside until later tonight when hubby gets home. Of course, he's at work for our weekly supermarket run because our anniversary is tomorrow, so ain't nobody going supermarket tomorrow, girl. Yes, so anyway, you guys, let me go get my babies.
First it's finished.
Tyler is doing some activities in his book. The same activities that he does at school, learning to write his letters properly. Alright, continue.
Yes, you're writing the same.
So he's writing the letter H. Focus, pay attention, and concentrate. Yes.
Now at school I'm trying to do the L on Natasha.
Okay.
The L on Natasha.
Okay. I think I have figured out a way to get my little exercise in these days. I've been doing it for the past few days and I think it's been working so far. When Sarah go down for a nap in the day, I realize that I really can't go to run because she'll wake up sometime. I'm like looking for her pacifier and stuff. So what I do is that I skip directly in the living room while she's napping. So she's taking a nap right now. Tyler is doing some work and I'm just
Like
gonna
that?
skip right beside
That,
him here.
Mama?
Very good. Look at you. Bravo. But I want you to do it smaller than this.
Oh.
Okay, so do one here smaller, not so big, but that's very good. I'm proud of you. Good job. So I'm gonna do a little skipping right now. The reason why I can't go around the back anymore to run. She's been awake for a while, but I was still going. Look at her. She's gonna come. My daughter will be crawling front ways anytime soon. She's been going back ways, literally going back ways and up on hands and knees. This little girl, she's gonna be crawling in no time. I can't leave her anywhere. Anyway, you guys, I guess this is the end of my workout. Look at my boobs. Gosh, they're so full. This is the end of my workout, I guess, because Miss Little is up and she have a explosion. Look at this explosion. Look at that poop-plosion. Poop-plosion, Sarah. I'm gonna take care of her now. I'm gonna make you some mini pizza for lunch. You want that?
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay. You guys, I finally get fresh and I'm about to throw these in the oven for Ty and myself. This is what these mini pizzas look like. And we love them. Well, we all love them around here. You guys, look at me. I went from smooth silky voice this morning to rusty jump and bottom voice right now. That's how I would say it in Jamaica. Rusty jump and bottom. Simple mean my voice is deep. That's how much the cold is taking me over. But I took some Dayquil, so that should kick in and help in a minute. But I don't feel like weak, or I just feel motivated just to keep me going through the day. I've been multitasking. I've been looking after Sarah, looking after Tyler, looking after myself, and I hear babe coming in the door right now. And I've been cleaning all day, and I just finished as my husband stepping in. We should be going to the supermarket, but I think I'm going to send babe alone because the kid's not feeling well. Sarah just fell asleep in her chair. Tyler has been crying for his ears. My husband just got home. Having a sick wife, stuffy nose wife, runny nose wife. So I think you're gonna take on supermarket and your own wife. At least you come home to a fresh, clean house. I just put down the mop outside.
I don't know if it's fresh because I smell the detergent and all of these things.
But if you smell the detergent, mean it fresh.
But
I just finished. I've been cleaning from day. Just finished.
Well, I rather come home with a dirty house and feel brand healthy, right?
Well, I don't choose to be healthy or sick. I don't choose my sickness. How was your day?
That was okay.
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna send this man out to the supermarket as him reach home all by himself. He love having me behind him, beep beep clock clock. But I really don't think I'm gonna go, but let's see. Anyway, you guys, I stayed home with the babies and look after them. Well, we went to the supermarket to get our weekly stock. Sarah is up and all fresh. Yes, guys. Dinner, the same thing that babe and I ate last week. We love it. It's called flamencouche in French. So I'm gonna just put one of them in the oven right now. I already had some porridge earlier, but I'm still feeling hungry. So I won't put it in the oven right now because baby's not home as yet and I want it to be hot. So I'm waiting for him to come so we can do the supermarket haul and then eat and just rest for the rest of tonight. You haven't talked to the faves all day, have you? Have you talked to the faves all day today? Say hi, guys. She love look at herself. Who's that? Who is that?
Mama, like that is not big and ugly.
Yes, that's very big and ugly. Make it smaller than that one.
Oh.
Tyler is still doing activities in his book. Say hi, faves.
We are going to do supermarket. What?
Oh!
Let's do.
Papa just got back.
Mama, you start by that back and me start by that back.
Okay, no, but it's you doing it, so I'm giving you this thing. So come here, show face what Papa got. Hold on. And Papa gonna join you. What is this?
This.
Wait, I can't let it go. I don't want it to make it drop, fall. What is this?
And this is chicken. It looks like animal chicken.
Tyler, say the right thing, please.
It's coming from the chicken.
Say the right thing. Okay, we don't have time to waste tonight. And so while you and Papa packing out, I'm packing out same time.
What is that?
Oh no!
What is it?
You take the wrong one. You've never seen me take red potato.
Well,
Oh my God.
sorry.
Oh no! No! Ah!
See, Mama? Mama,
Yes.
I want to see that red potato.
They take red potato. I never take red potato. I take orange potato.
This is orange. This is just.
Inside must be orange. That means the skin not supposed to be red.
Well, should have come. Should have come. No complaint. Person who are not here can't complain.
Okay, show face what we got. What's
This
that?
is bread
For who?
for everyone.
No, not true.
For everyone.
Papa mainly. And for
Okay.
Tyler if you
For
want.
everyone.
Tell her what's this?
Orange juice without skin.
Orange juice without skin?
Yes.
What's this?
Cucumber.
Yes.
And what is that?
Back to putting the bean there too many.
And what is that? Guess what is that?
I know.
What is that?
Fanta.
No.
What is written?
Read.
Oasis.
Oasis. What is that for?
To drink.
To drink
Definitely.
where?
I know.
What?
I know something. I remember that when we went to Mommy's house and it was Ken's birthday, I drink that.
Yes,
Alright,
but
this
this is to go to school with you. Your
Drink.
teacher said you must carry this to school
Oh,
because you guys gonna have some kind of celebration soon.
Coffee.
What is this? Coffee. We have
Coffee.
visitors coming soon, so we're getting coffee. What's this time?
chocolate wheel.
For who? For
For me.
everyone.
No, for only me.
Faves can't see you. Come out
Only
here.
me.
Come out here.
This is what I'm.
Only me.
What's this time?
Sugar.
No. What's the next thing?
Clever.
To do what? I remember you saw what to do. Something that you love to eat. Midnight plane.
I love polenta.
No, it's not. It's not flour made polenta.
This is cookie.
And what is this?
Bread for only mama.
He knows who eats what.
You want specific.
This
This
is
is what you want to eat.
ketchup for everyone. This is ketchup for everyone.
I didn't show you guys.
Everybody. Everybody. Next quick. This is your favorite. This is the biggest one I can find.
What's going on? This?
I don't know.
What is this?
Oh, coconut milk.
This one is good?
Yes.
Woo.
No, any coconut milk is fine. This is not my favorite, but it
Happy
will do the job.
biscuit.
I was about to take, I almost took the quinoa in the bag. Like the rice in the bag.
It is in the bag.
Biscuit.
Okay. Ah, sorry.
It's in the bag. I cut it out of the bag.
Quinoa and apple juice, one more.
You want to do it?
Tyler, what is that? Some shrimp for, this is fish, you know this is fish?
Oh, yes.
Yes, of
No,
course.
not
It's a from a fish family. It's from the fish family.
So I get a lot of yogurt, I get a full bag of yogurt.
fish.
It's from the fish family.
Look, Papa took 4 yogurt for Papa and 4 yogurt for Papa and so many for Tyler. 6 for Tyler plus 6 others for Tyler. And for Mama some.
Makes
6 plus 6 make how many?
6.
Count. 6 donut and 6 chocolate equal how many donut?
1, 2, 3.
Hold on. You already have 6, so you know this is 6. So you continue counting after 6. After 6 comes what?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So 6 plus 6 equals
12.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I don't know if you know this. It's called desktop. I don't know if it's French or whatever. This works very good when we want to
Magic.
clean like the sink or you know, like for example
Like
of the
if you have a
hair
clog.
or all of the things that you just put some in 5 minutes and it works great. It works.
So give us the fish for only me.
Another apple juice. I don't know how many apple juice I have. Some bananas. Some bananas.
Ribs.
Yes.
It's yummy.
That's when you put this.
So the ribs lick up so baby.
Because they were all like this. One was bigger and it was only 5.
I like to eat. I want bananas.
And one thing was missing.
Me tell you this times 2. Where the next one?
1 and 2. No, just bring one. I believe that was 2 in it and I was surprising you. And no, 4 in it.
Let me see.
Sorry that happened. That happened when you have to go supermarket alone.
This is the end. This is the end
So
of
we
the
didn't do bad. I didn't do bad.
supermarket haul.
He got everything. It's just that I would have got them in a different probably quantity, or like the rib. I would gotten a bigger piece or 2 pieces. This won't do for everybody.
Yes, Tyler always eat just a little bit enough to finish his plate.
Anyway, you guys, babe did well at the supermarket as usual. No surprises there. Now he's gonna eat. Sarah making noise.
Tyler
Sarah calling.